Hey friends, so I found these clips of me growing Swiss chard from a grow kit from 2020 to 2021 and I never posted them. So today my younger self is gonna take over. Expect some rookie mistakes, some surprising wins, a little bit of awkwardness. No judgment. Just enjoy the glow up and the grow up.
So are you ready to see how I grew my Swiss chard from seed to harvest? Ready? If you're doing this in fall, just a disclaimer, remember if you're going to do this, you have to be careful and look out for your first frost date. According to this, should take about 60 days. First, let's look around the box. This is how they estimate it should look. Whoops, it's pulling apart. And again, it has the instructions on the box as well as what it should look like. So inside, this is what it comes in, a very cute little burlap sack along with the tray and instructions. Okay, so this bag has the soil in it. We have the seeds. Ooh, these feel a lot bigger. And we have a 12-12-12 fertilizer. Is the instruction. Oops, nope, it's upside down. So according to this, I need to add 720 cc's of water to the soil and then mix it up. So let's do that. Let's put this aside. Shwa. And let's add the water. And we're just mixing. They gave a watering tray, so I could maybe try bottom watering if I want to. And this is our burlap bag that says home garden. It's very cute, and it has 4 drainage holes. You know, drainage holes is key. Gotta let that water out. So let's add the soil. Perfect. And then just gently pat it down. Okay, and I didn't use all the soil in it because I didn't need to, because they give you extra just in case. So our Swiss chard seeds, and these are what the seeds look like. Now according to the instructions, I need to make 5mm lines that are spaced apart. So I'm going to start with the middle and then work my way out. And then place the seeds 1 centimeter apart. There we go. Well, that's larger than a centimeter though, truly. These are approximately 1 centimeter apart. Okay, and as usual, we have an excess of seeds just in case we have any difficulties with these germinating. And these are the seeds that are left. So I will save these for future, and depending on how well this germinates, I will then have Swiss chard either for next season, or if you want to stagger your planting. So what I would do is, once these germinate, then I will plant another crop. But Swiss chard is the vegetable that keeps on giving. So now I will just gently cover the soil. So gently. Now with step 5, mix it with some water. My spray bottle, oh shoot, it's empty. Give me a second. And I am back. So just gently water it in and try to keep it as moist as possible throughout the germination process. The next step, step 6, is to put it in a bright or sunny window to wait for it to germinate. And it should take about 10 to 15 days, according to this paper. Where is it? Yes, before I can have enough to thin out the crop. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll see you in a second for the 15-day update. This is where we are after 2 months of growth. So I could leave them to grow fully as they are in the kit right there and just harvest what I need for my salads. But I want to see them grow to their full potential. So I'm going to try to gently remove the seedlings to see what I'm working with. That one actually snapped. So I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. I'm guessing the gloves had to come off because I was struggling in. And this is where I realized that, wait a minute, why do I have so many seedlings when I didn't plant that many seeds? And then it clicked. All right, these seeds are clusters of seeds. So one of the big brown ones, they have tiny Swiss chard seeds inside, multiple seeds in it. So one of those can give you 2, 3, even 4 sprouts. So that's why I have enough. And that's why I should have thinned these out before they got to this stage. So I'm trying my best to really separate them, to not have them snap, and quite a few of them snapped in the middle. And I did try to plant them below where they're snapped. So, Now, this is a 3-gallon grow bag. And if you can see, there's already scallion growing in it because I'm trying to do some companion planting to, save space on my balcony. And I'm trying to select the best or the strongest seedling here. The ones I removed, they actually broke in the middle and I wasn't sure if they would grow or not. So that's just it. All right, so let me stop rambling. Check out the transplant. Pots 2 and 3 are also 3-gallon pots, and they both have lemongrass growing in them. Again, companion planting. Comment below, do you think the lemongrass will survive not only being packed with Swiss chard, but also survive the winter outside instead of inside hibernating and overwintering? Let me know. And last but not least, our tiny pot. This is a 1-gallon pot because I ran out of pots. And this actually has a pepper plant that I was supposed to overwinter inside, but it's yeah, you have to turn it and make fashion and such. But anyway, here's the update. My Swiss chard update. I'm going to have to transplant them again because you can see that they are fully outgrowing this pot and they need more space, hence why they're a little floppy. So this is the update on how to grow your Swiss chard. I broke this one accidentally. Damn. Here is our beautiful Swiss chard. This is the update of our beautiful plants. Alright, so because I don't have enough space on my balcony to bend down, let's take this inside and take a closer look. Okay, let's get a close-up of the Swiss chard. So you can see the leaves are really nice and healthy. It's a bit overcrowded, but it still works when you have limited space. All right, so let's take a closer look at each. Okay, so this is one of them that was planted inside for the most part. And near the end of December, January, thereabout, I placed them outside because they were looking a little bit straggly. So let's harvest these. Start taking the outer leaves and it will grow back. The best thing I would say, you can cut off at about here and the entire plant will grow back, but I don't need so much. So I will just take my trusty scissors and at the base, so find the base of the stem and harvest my Swiss chard. All right, so let's look at the second pot. Okay, so this is our second one that was also planted with some lemon balms. All right, let's take a look at the last pot. Okay, so this is the monster of a pot. This one was, you know, fully out in the elements. It's looking amazing. So I will cut them back a bit to give more space. All right, so this is what they look like now. A little bit sparse, but it's okay. They're going to grow back fully. Let's look at my harvest. Please comment below and let me know what you think about Swiss chard. Do you have a different way of growing it? How do you cook it? I really want to know. Later.